Hey everyone, what's going on? Ben, your agent, with another weekly episode of Builder of the Week. This week, I'm going to highlight Taylor Morrison. Taylor Morrison is a huge builder of new home construction for years. And here are the highlights of this actual community that I want to highlight in Ontario. And I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so you guys can see my screen. All right, so as you can see here, guys, it is in Ontario, and they have 5 floor plans, but currently the plan 2 and plan 3 are temporary sold out. So I'm going to go over floor plan 1, which is 419,990, 654 square feet, 1 bed, 1 bath, really nice. And some detail to it as well. You can see here in the pictures. Just want to show you guys the pictures here. 1 bed, 1 bath. You don't find many new home constructions actually do 1 bed and 1 bath, so it's pretty cool. You do have, private patio as well, and a rather large size bedroom with the kitchen here, and a nice space for the living room as well. So let's go ahead. Here's another picture as well of the kitchen and the living room. Of course, this is the model or a virtual stage, as they call it. So I want to show you that. Each one does come with a 1 to 2 car garage space as well. So it's really, really nice. Definitely has granite countertops. That's normal. And with the whole home air filtration. All right, so the next model is the floor plan 3. This is for maybe a bigger family here. It's 1,459 square feet, 3 beds, 2 bath, 1 story, which is great, especially with, homes today. More new homes are 2 to 3 stories, so it's crazy. And 2 car garage. Let's get into it, guys. And so this one, they're already pre-selling, which is great. Want to show you some pictures here. All of them are relatively, looks the same from the outside. Here's a large bedroom, the primary room, your kitchen, as you can see, bigger than the other one, more space with storage and a larger living room size. All right, and just to give you guys heads up, this one definitely comes with large entertainment space, 2 secondary bathroom, full bath, laundry room, home amenities like 2 car garages, cabinetry, granite countertops, stylish flooring, whole home air filtration, and etc. Going for $521,990. All right. And then the last one that I'm going to highlight for Taylor Morrison, this one's in Ontario. If you didn't hear it in the beginning, this is the floor plan 5. This is going from 533,990, 1,557 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 1 story again, which I love. Let's get into the details. So in the details here, show you the pictures. Huge, probably one of the nicest, biggest floor plans for the kitchen. I love the the island here, so nice. And then your cabinetry for storage, and let's keep looking. And then large size. Of course, you don't need to have it all white, but white's the standard, and this is virtually staged. So here's your living room and your bedrooms here as well. So same with the other ones, 2 car garages, and granite countertop, shaker cabinetry, and whole home air filtration. So this one's huge master closet, as it says here. So let me stop sharing. So I give you guys just a brief review of the availability. 3 floor plans. There's a total of 5, but 2 of them are already temporary sold out. And new home constructions are always being built, but I love this Taylor Morrison builder. They make good quality homes, and I'm a new home construction specialist. So if you guys have any questions, I'd love to help you out. in any new home construction. Hope this video helped you out. And if you liked it, hit that like and please subscribe to my channel. And there's definitely other playlists for buyers. So check those out. There's definitely great buyer tips and my journey and sharing with you how my journey's been. So hope that was informative. If you want to follow, please subscribe and share to a friend and family. If you have any questions, you can use that comment below and I'll get back to you right away. All right. Have a great day. Take care.